Finland is opening its doors in 2025 with over 150,000 job opportunities waiting for foreign workers, and here's the surprising part, with the new fast-track system, you could actually move in as little as 10 days with a free work visa. Just picture this, in less than 2 weeks, you could be living in one of the happiest and safest countries on earth, starting a brand new chapter of your life without worrying about huge visa costs. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how this process works, the jobs that are urgently hiring right now, the documents you'll need to prepare, and the exact way you can apply so you don't miss your chance. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. Finland's population is aging. A lot of skilled and unskilled workers are retiring, but new industries, from technology to healthcare to logistics, are booming. The government has already announced that they need 150,000 plus foreign workers to fill labor gaps in 2025. This is why the new fast-track work visa program was created, to attract international talent faster. In-demand jobs. So, which jobs are waiting for you? Here are the biggest categories. Healthcare and nursing, nurses, caregivers, and healthcare assistants are urgently needed. Construction and skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, welders, and general construction workers. Hospitality and tourism, chefs, waiters, cleaners, and hotel staff. Technology, Finland is seeing growing demand for software developers, AI specialists, cybersecurity experts, cloud architects, and data scientists, especially in high-tech firms. Logistics and manufacturing, warehouse workers, forklift operators, drivers, and factory staff. These are not just jobs on paper, they are being advertised by Finnish companies with visa sponsorship included. Eligibility. Who can apply? Almost anyone, as long as you have a valid passport. You meet the job requirements, some roles need qualifications, others don't. You can show proof of work contract or sponsorship from a Finnish employer. English is widely accepted in many jobs, but knowing basic Finnish gives you an edge. Unlike other European countries, Finland's new visa scheme doesn't require endless years of experience for entry-level roles. Visa processing and documents. Now, here's where Finland stands out. Through the new fast-track work permit, once your employer submits the sponsorship papers, your visa decision can be made in just 10 days. Documents you'll usually need. Valid passport. Employment contract or job offer letter. Proof of qualifications, if skilled work. Health insurance coverage. Clean background check. Salary expectations. Let's talk about money. Salaries in Finland are some of the highest in Europe. For example, care assistants earn around 2,200 to 2,800 euros monthly. Construction workers can make 2,500 to 3,200 euros. IT professionals earn 3,500 euros to 5,000 euros plus. Hospitality staff usually get 2,000 to 2,400 euros per month, with benefits. On top of that, Finland offers paid holidays, free healthcare, family benefits, and one of the best work-life balances in the world. Cost of visa. Here's the big question, is it really free? The new program covers government fees for the visa itself if you apply under a sponsored employer program. However, you may still pay for things like document translations, travel tickets, health insurance, So while the visa cost can be €0 under sponsorship, plan for around €300 to €500 for side expenses. How to apply online. Now to the most important part, how do you actually apply? 1. Search for vacancies on official portals like Palvelut, Finland's employment service, or yours, EU job portal. 2. Target jobs listed with visa sponsorship or employer will assist with relocation. 3. Submit a strong CV in Europass format, this is standard in Europe. 4. If shortlisted, employers will conduct interviews online. 5. Once hired, your employer applies for your residence permit, and within 10 days you can get approval. Tips to get hired quickly. Tailor your CV to Finnish standards, short, clear, and achievement-based. Learn basic Finnish greetings, employers love when you show effort. Apply early, many companies prefer candidates who are ready to relocate fast. Highlight flexibility, night shifts, rural locations, or seasonal work boost your chances. So there you have it. Finland's new free work visa pathway for 2025 is not just a rumor, it's real, it's fast, and it's designed to welcome people like you. With over 150,000 jobs available, a visa that can be processed in just 10 days, and salaries that allow you to live comfortably, this could be your chance to finally make the move to Europe. Don't just watch and forget, start preparing your CV, check the job portals I mentioned, and take that step today. And remember, the earlier you apply, the higher your chances before these roles fill up. Everything you need, application links, job sites, and official resources, is right there in the video description. And remember to comment where you're watching from, especially if this is your first time here, I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications bell for more updates on working and relocating abroad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.